Hi, good morning. Just a very quick look at a 100e, a Ford 100e Anglia I've had for 3 or 4 years. I bought it with a view of putting a 5-speed gearbox and a 1600 crossflow engine in it, which I've done. Then after a little bit of welding and an exhaust fit into it, kind of life took over and I bought a Land Rover, and most of my time was sucked away to that, or in fact a garden project I'm currently underway completing. But the plan is hopefully to come back to this in I'll say months to come. It's probably going to be the winter months, and see if we can get this back on the road. Nice car, bodywork is very good for its age. It's 1959 era, and it's been well looked after. I think I'm the third owner. But let's have a quick look inside, and that'll be about it. It's turning out to be a bit of a storage area for the garage. I've virtually built another cupboard on the top here where the engine goes. However, I am looking after it. I'm putting covers up the side when I'm in the garage working, so it's pretty well protected. Not too keen on the colour, but that's going to be changed anyhow. Let's have a look inside. You can see this is turning out to be a bit of a shed as well. I got some leather seats to go in it. A bit dirty now. They come out some what was it? MG, one of the more modern MGs, I believe. Red leather. Probably would have gone for black nowadays, but the tunnel there I've converted. It's got a 5-speed Type 9 gearbox from a Ford in it, and that's mated to a 1600 crossflow engine. So that's all functional. Gear lever is functional. There's a handbrake sitting over here that's been modified. There we go. That's all works. When I've got a bit more time, we'll unpack it a bit more and have a look underneath. But yeah, this really was a 2 or 3 minute video of showing you a future project. I've filled in the back there with some steel plate for the boot. There's a little heater there to keep it warm during the winter. But yeah, we'll go in a lot more detail, but this is probably going to be the end of the year. But I thought I'd just bring that to your attention, so to speak, of an upcoming project for the winter. But yeah, that's the old 100e.